How's it going, guys? Kevin back at you with another video. Today's video we're going to be upgrading our stock Wrangler wheels, which look like this. Now, granted they don't have the cover on them. And we're going to be upgrading them to the Proline metal wheels. I know they had a bronze version of this back in the day. These are the sort of aluminum or silver finish on these guys. And then towards the end of the video, I'll explain why I have this set up as well. So with that, let's get into swapping the wheels out. So what you will get with your Method wheels is you get the Method wheels, you will get the center cap, and then associated hardware just for the center cap. With your stock wheels, what you're going to have is the inner ring. So make sure that is in there and it's in between the wheels. If you're buying new ones, you'll have this. Then you have the face, which is what we're replacing. And then you have the back ring, and this is what's going to sandwich between the wheel, between the tire, excuse me, with this and your new face. And then you're going to be using the M4x16 screws that are either in the new kit or come off your old wheels. And as you're basically sandwiching this together, I like to kind of just sort of work one side down. And just, you want to make sure that it's being pinched, but not in the wrong way, so to speak. You can see when it looks sort of like that and it's flush up against the side, that's when you know you've done it correctly. So I like to just kind of work around the wheel, just sort of pull up as I push down, because I don't want to pinch it between the two halves. I want just that lip to get caught. So just like that, you can see how it's matching up with that rim quite nicely, and it should almost look like it's flush. And that's when you know that you've got it right. So now that I've got that side flush, I can now work on the front side. And this one, I'm essentially going to drop in, but I'm also going to be lining up those pieces on either side. So just kind of twist that. And then one thing you can do is you can take just a simple straight, I have a little bit here, but I push that through and that actually aligns the holes on either side. And then what I'm going to do is take my drill bit, go on the opposite side, and just get it started. So and now key thing is I'm not going to go too far on this side because I do not want to pinch just one side of the wheel down and pop it out on the other side. So again, going down maybe halfway. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and I'm going to see, okay, I've got nice flush area up here, but down here you can see it's kind of sunken in a little bit. So all I'm going to do is just kind of work, pull that a little bit. You can see it kind of working out slowly. There you go. Sometimes it takes a couple tries, but kind of have patience. There you can go. So there you go. Now you can see it's nice and flush around the whole wheel. And then I'm going to take these three, since I have a nice triangle, and I'm going to finish screwing these down. And now that I have all three down, I'm just going to check everything looks nice and flush. Everything also looks nice and flush on this side. So now I'm going to add the last three, and then I'm done. So with that, then I can jump over, finish the other three, and then put them on the truck so you guys can see what they look like. So now you can see we have all four done. I haven't put the center caps in yet. And then these are the stock wheels, so a little bit of comparison. They're very similar style. These ones obviously being plastic and with a black finish. I know that these used to come in a bronze finish, which was really nice. Kind of wish I got those. These actually won at Axial Fest about 2 years ago, so just now getting around to installing them and putting them on. But with that, let's go throw them on the truck. So here you have the finished product. I did not put it on the rear, but just wanted to show you what it looks like on the front. And then you can compare it with what's on the stock in the rear. So as well as it's obviously got the high tracks on there too. Now you guys might be asking, why do I have a spare rear axle here? Well, this is actually for a trailer, and one of the reasons I didn't put these on all four corners here is because these are actually going to end up being my trailer wheels. So I think what I'm going to end up doing is doing a dual axle trailer that's going to be designed for a single SCX6 or two 1/10 scale rigs, and that's what these are going to go for. So I have four of these. It'll work for all four trailer wheels, and that way I'll have, continuity with the rims and everything, and it should look quite nice with that setup. You can see here I didn't put the center cap on, again, because I'm going to be taking these off shortly, but once I have them on the final one, I'll probably throw the center cap on. But you can see if I kind of just put that in there, you can get somewhat an idea of what it looks like with the center cap there as well. So With that, thank you guys so much for checking out another video, and I will catch you guys next time.